I got to the market. Mamalengke kami ni Sarah. Let's go. Alright, we're here at the market. What's that?
Can you take my bag?
Nope.
Take my bag. Ah, where's the list? Can you take the list, bro?
These are the things we need. Magkano po dito sa carrots? Up. Oh, look at this. Magkano po dito? Where can we find chicken breast? Okay, last one dito. Magkano po sa carrots? Sa repolyo po. Doon na tayo. Grabe, overheads. Ano yan? Maliit lang. So pretty. We have successfully got the things we need. Muntik na ako mahulog dito. Here are the things we got on the floor. Okay, they have like a lot of candies there. Bilhin ako yellow, tas order ka na. Ordering coffee. Yay!